Hello everyone, I am Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss how to change line color, line type and line weight. So let's draw some geometry first. Now if we want to change the color of this polygon, then select the polygon and click on this box. Here you can see this is showing you that the box is for color control, and click on this drop down box, and from here you can choose any one of them and the polygon have the color. Here you can see. Let's select the polygon and from here change the color. Let's select red. Here you can see. From here you can select another different types of color. Let's select this one, click on OK, draw a geometry. The geometry must be of that color. Here you can see. Now if you want to change the line type, then click on the next box, and here you can see only 3 types of line is available. Click on other. Here click on load, select one, press Ctrl and A, click on OK, and here click on OK. Now you can see all the line types are available now. Select the geometry and from here change the line type. Here you can see the line type is changed. Select the geometry and from here change the line type. In case if the line type is not showing, then you have to change the line type scale factor. Then press LTS and then press enter, and here change the scale factor and press enter again. Here you can see these line types are not showing, so let's try another scale factor. Now you can see both the line types are visible now. Now it's time to change the line weight. Click on the next window and from here you can choose the line weight. Select the geometry and from here select the thickness. Here you can see this line weight is also not visible in upper version like 2015 and others. It is not automatically showing. Then you have to type L weight and then press enter. Here you can find this box and you have to check display line weight and click on OK. Here you can see the line weight is visible now. There is then another way from you can change the line color, type and weight. Select the geometry and right click and here click on properties. Here you can find this dialog box and from here you can change the line color. Let's select this one. Here you can see the preview also. Here you can change the color. From here you can change the type. Let's select this one. Click on properties. Select the color as green. Here change the line type and here from here you can change the line weight. you can see. So that's all about line color, line weight and line type. The most popular way to change the line type, line weight and line color is by using layers. If you want to learn about how to do that, then see my previous video. From there you can learn about layers. So that's all for today. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for another updates, and thank you.